Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I brought you one thing which is quite interesting to all the Ford owners out there, which is exciting to as well. In fact, I wanted to show you this for quite some time. Ever since I made this mod, as I continuously engaged in different mod requests and mod activities, I was unable to make it when I completed this project. But today I managed to make this one for you guys. I just don't want to share just some pictures, but rather than showing a comprehensive video discussing the detail about the changes. In fact, this is a complete design change. All the designs made, all the production level parts has been finalized. People might have seen this vehicle some in the form of test mules. Also maybe in the vehicle yards might have seen some people might have seen it. I personally also seen this vehicle somewhere near the plant, as Ford decided to cease the operation in India. They didn't want to complicate the part catalog with the new part numbers, even complicate the service process where they are operationally exist. So maintaining the new parts will be very headache for them. For you might have guessed what I'm talking about. So it's a design. Yes, the guy here is standing with the new outfit is the 2021 Ecosport. So you might not have seen the complete design changes in a detailed video, so I am going to present that to you today. So you can see the major changes in the front. There are a lot of changes in the front. Completely it is revamped from the previous EcoSport. You can see the front grille is now bigger. The chrome the fog lamp cluster is different, and also there is a change in the skid plate as well, on accommodating the new front bumper, and there is a small design element here. Also the air deflector on the bottom slightly changed for the new bumper. So as you see, the predominantly in the front is the front grille, so it has a lot of small slits distributed across the front. Also having so this is actually particularly I did this small touch just to give a sporty look. It also gels very well with the body color. It is very wider. It makes even wider because of this black frame outside of this the actual grille. I'll show you in a very close-up shot. So you can see the small slits which is distributed across the front grille. So this is actually black type. There are variations in chrome, only the surroundings in chrome, and the small slit will be black and complete chrome. Even the outer the border and also the small slit also comes in chrome. So another big change is the fog lamp. You can see the fog lamp cluster is now with older the round fog lamp, which is in fact comes in older model, previous generation of EcoSport. And the major change is the turn indicators. Turn indicators in previous generation was halogen. Now it's completely LED. So it's a switchback type. So it also has the DRL, the half T-shaped DRL. So on the top, the headlight remains same. There is no change in that except for the DRL. DRL now has been moved to the bottom, the fog lamp cluster. So it's been removed. But this is actually a sports variant of pre-facelift, the current generation. So I'm using the same DRL. So I just enable both the DRLs. I'll show you how it looks. In fact, so on the bottom, the skid plate. The skid plate is now very much angular than the previous one was more like rounded. Now it is more angular, and it's also rotating a little bit outwards to the vehicle, so it looks more nice. In fact, on the bottom, the air deflector that remains same. So almost like just with a small modification just to accommodate this bumper. See the complete view on the front. I'll unlock the vehicle. So you can see both DRLs. You can check the images. Actually, it will show. You can see it very well. But it's daytime, so the DRLs are not that much bright. You can see the indicators. So indicator looks like this. Okay, actually I said, did I say there is a change in the rear? No, actually there is a change in the rear as well, but take a pinch of salt. It's very minor. I'll take to the rear. We'll show what was changed. Actually this is fully functional. All the electrical has been done with the proper wirings, and the indicator is properly functional. You won't get if the bulb is used, you will get the error sign in the speedometer. So all the electrical has been done properly, so it won't show any sign of malfunction in the indicators. So the turn indicator flashing will be normal. It doesn't behave as if like it's fault. So I'm just turning on the indicator. You can see. You can see the indicator properly functions there. I have a short video about the modifications done in the Sync 3. This is built-in navigation. You can see the icons has been changed. The background has been changed. The font also has been changed. It has built-in navigation. The radio icons. I have added the radio icons for Chennai, for Tamil Nadu.
Radio City 91.1.
The new logos, the region specific logo has been added. You can see the region specific logos has been added. So the font has been changed, the background has been changed. You can see you can customize the background as well, and the icons, the system icons also has been changed. Here I have to mention the F-Mods T. These are the indicators. Indicator blinker is at correct frequency. This you might have seen already in my channel. Check my channel for the full digital cluster installation. So let's go back to the rear. So as I told, there is a change in the rear. The rear is just the LED tail lamps. Even it is not completely LED tail lamp, it is just a partial LED tail lamp, which means that so it has only the brake lamp and the position lamps will be in LED. The L-shaped LED for the position lamp and brake lamp will be cluster of LEDs. Please check out my images, other images where you can see the design properly. So look at the rear, so how it looks. The turn indicator remains same. It is just the conventional halogen bulb. So let's check out how the tail lamp functions. And now it's been undergone a partial LED treatment. I got this lamp in a completely scrapped form. I have refurbished this one to a fully working order. Also I have smoked the lamp just like the sports variant. I have smoked the only inactive glass part by leaving the active glass part as it is, including the reflector, so that it won't block any available light. People usually make the light opaque in the name of smoking, which is not at all correct. Okay everyone, that's all about this video. So I hope I explained as much as possible. Please write down your comments in the comment section so that I can answer very frequently. All the necessary part has been installed here. There is no makeup, anything, no modifications on the existing chassis. So everything just one-to-one fit. So it is completely like a perfect fit in fact. So because this is a finalized part, so there's no additional modification required. Only thing is the electrical changes has to be done properly. Otherwise you will see the malfunction in the speedometer. Okay, subscribe to my channel. I'll be keep posting new modification videos very frequently. I have a lot of mods in the queue. Maybe you'll come to know when you follow my channel. bear with the delay if anything happens, because I also work for advanced modifications, so it definitely takes time for implementing as well as for testing. So I'm just doing it in my free time, so it takes a lot of time. Definitely I also need to test it properly, so to make sure that everything works properly. I'll always give you support on any other Ford related queries, so just follow my channel. Maybe I'll be adding some more troubleshooting videos later point of view. So that's all about video, so I'm just winding up today. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time. Subscribe and support my channel. Thank you.